Hello and welcome back to another video with yours truly, Mr. Easter. First of all, I'll make a request that every YouTuber makes. Do like and subscribe to my video. Today we'll be talking about how to convert various file types into other various file types using OpenBabel. Alright, so obviously you can use 2x option to convert, saying convert to fast forward the video, but I wouldn't recommend it. Well, why would I? I'm a YouTuber, man. So search for OpenBabel software, which we discussed how to install in previous video, and double click to open it. All right. So our OpenBabel is opened. So first, as you can see in the left top left corner, there's an input format where you have to select your file types which you have downloaded from various databases. So that I have downloaded one file type from this database PMN, the Plant Metabolic Network. So I have downloaded it and put it in this input folder, and it is a SDF file. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to select in my input the SDF file format. See, as you can see here, it is SDF. So I will select it. Once SDF is selected, I have to convert it into mol files because later I have to use it into mol files for various purposes. So let's see, okay, here's the mol file format. Okay, so I will select it. Now the input and the output has been selected. Now I need to browse where my file is stored on my device. Okay, so here you will click on this three dot. So I have kept it on a downloads folder on my desktop in the input folder. Okay, as you can see, here is the file. So I will double click it to select it. The file has been selected. Now here you can see it's the file data. So now I will select where it needs to be stored. Again, I have made output folder. I want my file to be stored here, so I will select it. Oh, I have to give a name first. Okay, so my file initially is named this, so I will write it down there, or you can give any other name, whichever you prefer. Okay, so let me write it down quickly. Okay, and click save. Okay, now here's a big convert button. Click it, and it will do its thing, and it has been converted. Let me just check it out. Okay, here is a mol file. Okay, now you have converted your mol file successfully. Now there is one teeny tiny issue which I think you all will face. The thing is, I use this PMN database. Now there is another database. Let me open it quickly to show you all. It's loading. You can just 2x the video, man, because these are government websites and they take time. Okay, it is open. Let's just search any plant, random plant, I don't care, and a random phytochemical from these plants like this, and let's download its 3D mol file randomly. It is a Indian medical plant database, so I will download a 3D mol file from here because I want to show you all something about these files. I will open it now. As you can see, it is a 3D mol file whose name is this. Okay, now you see it starts from here and ends here. All right, and the file that I have downloaded from this PMN database, the issue that I'm talking about is the PMN database gives combined file of all the phytochemicals it has. Like you can see 2546 molecules all in one file converted to all clubbed mol file. So the files are clubbed, like ammonium, thiamine, it's all clubbed, starts and ends. You can see over 2000 compounds are here. But if you want to work with all of them, in various database or programs, you might need a separate mol files. Now I will show you how you can get a separate mol files. First of all, you have converted your SDF files into mol files, but this is a clubbed mol file. Okay. Now I have made a program. So club mol to set mol. That's the name I've given to the file that I've created. It is easy. All you need to have a Python on your system and to run a py file. Okay, I'm not going into the installation process of that. You can search it on Google. It's basically easy. So all you have to do is double click on it and a GUI will open something like this. Okay, what you have to do is you have to select your clubbed mol file, like the file which has all the phytochemicals and everything, you know. So I will click browse file and go to the folder here, and I've kept it in the output folder. So I've selected my file. Okay, now I want to select the output folder where my separate files, like over 2000 files which this single file has. So again, same folder and separated files. Okay, I'll select this folder, select it. All you have to do is click this teeny tiny button and we're done. So it is processing, and as you can see, 2546 files successfully saved. See, program makes your life easy. Let me just show you all. Let's go to this file. As you can see, 2546 files here, all converted. Okay, so that's how you can separate your mol files. Now you might be wondering what's in this file, how you can get it from me. Well, it's easy. How? Well, it's not free, first of all. It is not free. It is not free. So it is not free. What you gotta do? You gotta pay me. Pay me $9.99 only. Well, if you want this file, you gotta pay me $9.99. So if you want this file, you gotta contact me. Well, comment me with your email IDs. Comment with your email ID so I can contact you. Okay, well, that's all. If you want the file, it's $9.99. Contact me and like and subscribe to the video. Until next time, Mr. Easter signing out.